What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, Devon Pudding Work Burke, and we're here to talk about our 30 passive income ideas. Go. Okay, real quick, y'all know the vibes. Make sure we subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. Without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. My 30 passive income ideas. All right, yep, we are literally going to go over 30 passive income ideas. I will create a more in detail video to cover each of these topics. But with that being said, let's get into the video at hand. All right, number one, rent out a room in your house. Yep, you can literally find a room in your house or your home that you can rent out to other people. Do a background check on the people you rent to. Make sure that you are renting to a very reputable person. Do job references, all that good stuff. You want to make sure that you're not inviting some crazy serial killer or something that to your house. You know what I'm saying? But seriously, you can actually rent out a room in your house if you're really hard up for some cash and need a roommate, need some money going on or coming in that is outside of your job or whatever. This is a great passive income. I'll have a video in more detail on what you need to do to rent out a room in your house and how to do it successfully. Okay. So with that being said, take a rain check on that video. It's coming soon though, definitely. All right. So number two, affiliate marketing. All right. This is one of my favorite ways to build passive income online. It takes some effort to really make this pop, but when you do get the ball rolling, it becomes an awesome form of passive income. Yes, there is a video coming about this one in general, okay? Just straight up all affiliate marketing. We're going to go in detail. It's going to be a very interesting video. I'm definitely going to break down all the different ways you can do affiliate marketing for my people, my wealth builders. Know what I mean? All right. Number three, dividend stocks. Okay. I love this form of passive income because all you have to do is find the right type of stocks that pays you to hold the stock after you buy it. It's very dependable. And there are people that actually place most of their retirement income in dividend paying stocks. And with that being said, I have a much more detailed video about dividend stocks in my description already. I already made the video for you. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got to wait for this one. This one's ready for you. But so go ahead and check out the description below and get started today. All right. So number four, peer-to-peer lending. All right. The definition of peer-to-peer lending is a form of online lending that allows individual investors to work directly with people or businesses seeking loans. These individual lenders may get a return on their investment, but they also shoulder financial risk for the loan. Okay, I have a video about that topic in detail in the description, but I do peer-to-peer lending is definitely one of my income streams that I use to build a nice, solid passive income, but definitely check it out. The link is in the description. Number five, all right, sell an online course. I told y'all we're going to go through this little quick, you know what I'm saying? But this is much more detailed version of an ebook. This is something you can create yourself or outsource it to someone that has detailed knowledge on the subject. The key to this is having a passion for what the course is about and not just trying to sell it for profit, okay? Because the passion comes through when you're trying to sell it. You know what I'm saying? If you don't have passion, people are not going to want to spend their hard-earned money with you, okay? And usually courses have a bunch of videos that go in heavy detail about the subject, okay? I will definitely create a video about this subject very soon. Number six, sell an ebook. Ebooks are something like an online course, like we spoke about before, but usually without the visual effects, okay? No videos with ebooks, really. So You will usually sell this for much less than the full-blown course. Most people use ebooks for opt-in pages that give people a reason to give up an email address or a phone number. This is basically to help you build your list, okay? Your email list, your product list, or any type of list like that, okay? Number 7, start a YouTube channel. Okay, a YouTube channel can be very tedious to start, but once you get the ball rolling, it's very profitable. I mean, super profitable. Some YouTubers are making 6 figures a month just off of YouTube traffic alone. It's ridiculous to think, but it's the truth. I'm working on a YouTube series breaking down what it really took for me to get my YouTube channel to 5,000 plus subscribers. It's going to be a free YouTube series breaking it down, giving you some insight from 0 to 5,000. And then when I hit another milestone, I go from 5,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 20,000, like that. You know what I'm saying? That's how we're going to do it. All right. So let's break it down to number 8, drop shipping store. Okay. This is another great passive income. Okay. This can be another tedious passive income though to start, but once rolling, you can grab you some solid income with it. I personally think you can do this better if you just outsource the whole process of creating the drop shipping store. Okay, I have about 3 sites outsourced, and I love the add-on of passive income that it provides along with everything else. A video is definitely coming soon about this topic, how I did it, and what I recommend you do with it also. Okay? Okay. Number 9, buy a profitable app. I'm looking to do this one myself along with number 10 because people download apps like crazy and people are making money hand over fist with these apps. You can go to sites like flipper.com and literally search for profitable apps that are for sale on their market. Okay, and yes, a video is coming soon. And number 10, buy a profitable website. It's just like buying a profitable app, right? Another great passive income that's plug and play as long as you have the money to buy the website. Then this could be an awesome income stream that you don't need to do much work on. This can be true passive income source. I'm telling you, all right? Number 11, cryptocurrency mining. This is a serious passive income for the new age investor. It's not going to I'm not going to say, right, I'm a pro at this cryptocurrency to say the least. I'm learning as I go. I might just find a cryptocurrency specialist to explain this, but I've been told this is an awesome passive income stream, so I had to list it. All right, so the video might be coming soon on this one, but it's definitely going to take me a little while to get it up. All right, that's what she said. Nah. Number 12, hold growth stocks. Okay, what I mean by hold growth stocks? Well, growth stocks are stocks that have the potential to build or double in value in a short period of time. So literally find the stocks that you think will grow over time, purchase the stock, and when it gets to a price you like, you sell to make your money. Okay, the key to this is do your research and make sure what you're risking, you're willing to lose it. All right. Number 13, create an app. Okay. Well, I know we spoke about buying a profitable app, something that makes you money already. Well, with this one, you're starting from scratch. Okay. Zero, nothing. All right. It might take a little bit more effort, but it can be much more fulfilling if you create something yourself and build a solid income from it. Okay. I'm going to definitely research this one and figure out all the ins and outs it takes to create an app. And we're going to definitely provide you with a video here at Wealth Builders TV. All right. Okay. Nah, seriously. All right. So number 14, rent out your car. Okay. There are tons of different apps out there that you can use to help you rent out your car without you doing a whole bunch of advertising. There are a lot of people creating a serious passive income by doing this and even created a business around just renting out their cars. If you want to learn more about this topic, check out my video link in the description. I recreated video for you. You know what I mean? We already there with this one, guys. All right. You ain't got to wait for this one. All right. So check out the links in the description. Number 15. Okay. Now, this one is start a laundromat. A laundromat. laundry, whatever you want to say, a laundromat, right? So I do have a video that is actually one of my top videos on my YouTube channel, breaking down how you can start yourself a laundromat for passive income. I think if you just watch the video and learn a lot from it, the link is in the description. Go ahead and check that out. All right. So there you have it. Those are just 15 of the 30 passive income ideas. Okay, we're going to definitely break this down in part two. I wasn't going to hit you with all 30 on one video, man. I don't want to drive it on that long. You know what I'm saying? So we're definitely going to hit you up with the next 15 in the next video. All right. So definitely be on the lookout for that one. It's coming very, very soon. Okay. In the next week or so, I'll drop the second video to this. Okay. That's so you can have all these income ideas, but definitely check it out. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. It's your boy Devon signing off for 30 passive income ideas part 1. Okay. Again, make sure you subscribe and be ready for part 2. All right. And also definitely check out the Wealth Builders newsletter. It's my free newsletter. I drop every Monday through Friday. Okay. That's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You know what I'm saying? Drop it every day. Okay. By 12 p.m. Okay. So be on the lookout. Sign up. Get signed up. All right. It's free. Doesn't cost you anything to jump with the newsletter. All links in the description. Again, it's the man. It's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Putting Work Burke, and we are talking about our 30 passive income ideas. Thanks for watching, and do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
It's the Wealth Builders, baby.